a guide you to turn on message notifications on your Instagram. So if you turned off your notifications on Instagram, let's see how to turn on it. Go to your Instagram profile, tap on three lines. If you scroll down, here you can find the bell icon and the notifications. Here, if you paused or turned off your notifications, and if you tap this, you can turn on message notifications. And here you can go to messages. If you turned off all of this, you can turn on again by tapping on on. And if you can't fix this, go to your app info or otherwise go to the settings, scroll to the apps, scroll to Instagram. Here you can find app permissions. Sorry, go to notifications. Here, if you turned off this, make sure you turn on show notifications. Then this might turn on message notifications from your Instagram and it will notify you by turning on show notifications. Thank you.